If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to take perfectly leveled pictures on iOS 17. When you use the camera on an iPhone, you can't tell if your pictures are leveled. There is a solution, however. If you want to take perfectly level pictures on iOS 17, here is what to do. Go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down to Camera. Tap on Camera, and on Composition, toggle to the On Position the Level option. Exit Settings, and go back to Camera. Now you will see a line that once it is leveled it turns yellow. You can now take a perfectly level picture. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.